Greetings, greetings, greetings. This is RevereSkye, RevereSkye's Essence. Is it just me, or is it the people that's speaking on the internet about men and women? For some reason, they're being spoken for everybody. Like, I don't understand that. Like the feminism movement, right? I don't need a man or a woman, or I don't need a man or whatever. Like, didn't that happen in the music industry? And wasn't that like actors? Like, aren't music people actors? Aren't they paid to send out a message and an agenda? So how the heck can a few social media people, black women, or sing "I Don't Need a Man" speak for everybody? And why do these foreign women feel like they have to remind us that it was said in America back in the 2000s, the early 2000s? Like, I'm trying to figure this out. Like, that's music. Like, somebody should do a collage of how many women out here literally said, "I don't need a man. I don't need a man." Well, it's not coming up on my feed, okay? Like, I don't even hear that around gay women. Like, I go around gay women all the time, and you don't hear them discussing that they don't need a man. Like, I'm trying to figure out how so little women were able to impress so many men and so many foreign women that it's real. Okay? Like, y'all don't understand when people are targeting a certain race and a species of people. That's common sense. And them foreign women better watch out, because they men looking at them. Believe me, they men looking at them like they're not trustworthy and they ain't loyal. For real. So what, they men broke and ain't got no money? You're supposed to submit. Yep, that's right. You're supposed to submit and be loyal and be faithful. You ain't supposed to go out here chasing no money. You're supposed to be with somebody in your own country. But for real, I'm saying, how is it that these men, like, they started the Mockingbird effect where, black women in America, this and that. First of all, like, how many black women do you actually think are on government assistance? I bet you it's not 50% of them. Like, look it up. How many, somebody leave it in the comment section, how many women in America are on government assistance, black women? Meaning food stamps, TANF, you name it. How many? And then, how many black men are on food stamps? That's right. Because, they'll give a black man food stamps that just got out of prison. Do that. Somebody post it in the comments. How many black men in the United States are on food stamps? And how many black women in the United States are on government assistance? Like, how is this Mockingbird effect taking over the whole internet? It's crazy. It's crazy how everybody's attacking everybody for no reason. We all know this is by design. We all know that this is a ploy. They target who they don't want to see rise. Do you know how many black men and women work. And another thing, I'm saying, let's be honest. We all know if the man is positioned as a leader and he chooses different, meaning he could organize women and raise daughters in their liking, but they don't even have the discipline to do that. Say it again, RevereSkye. They can actually, black men of the United States can actually create schools that breed women to be in their liking. But no, they don't want to do that. They want to go somewhere else and start a new life somewhere else. And do you really think these women love you? No.